and welcome. I have not made a vlog in I don't know how long, and partially it's because I've had people say, what is a vlog doing in a music education channel? Like, this is not what I want to see. And at the time I took criticism like super personally. Now I think like, well, this is something I want to make, and there are people who want to watch more personal vlog stuff. So I'll make it for them. And for the people who don't want to watch the vlog stuff, I will still make tutorials. So there's something here for everybody. I think that, whatever. Let's just get started. So this vlog is going to include a few fun and exciting moments that I've had in the past few weeks. One of them I forgot was my birthday, but my friends came in and surprised me. And the reason I forgot is because I had my mind fully invested in planning a baby shower, which was on the same week. And it was going to be a drive-thru baby shower with a backyard dinner for just the really close family members. I did end up having like a little like surprise birthday. My partner planned for my friend Abby to come down from LA days before the baby shower. I knew she was coming, but I thought she was coming to the baby shower. She came days before to come for the birthday.
Hi Bernadette, I'm in my car. I'm ready to drive out to El Centro to come see you. It's Wednesday at 12:45 about, and I'm coming down to surprise you for your birthday. Jaime messaged me on Instagram a couple weeks ago to see if I'd come surprise you, so that's what we're doing. I'm kind of nervous. I hope that you're happy to see me, but I think it's gonna be good. So okay, I'm gonna turn on the Jonas Brothers and drive now for the next 4 hours. See you soon! Alright, so I thought this would be clever if I upload a little Instagram story and then it'll look like I'm at home, but really I'm on the road and she doesn't know. So let me just tag her. Mention Fuzzy. Drag it down here. And yeah, let's do it. Alright, she'll never know. Hi guys, I made it. I'm like hiding in my car because I don't want Bernadette to see me. But I'm gonna text Jaime now and tell him I'm here and then go surprise Bernadette. I'm like super nervous. Okay, so hopefully the next shot is me surprising her. Yay!
And I was filming a video here. I was filming one of the uke reading like lessons. And when I came downstairs, Abby was there. I was just like,
oh yeah, like a princess.
hola! Hi! Oh my gosh! What are you doing here? Jaime invited me a day early. Oh my god! I didn't expect you to be here. Thank you. And you were wearing this today. Yeah. She threw me off. What are your Instagram posts?
I stopped at a rest stop so I could post it on the way.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And I heard ukulele playing. I was like, nice job.
Thank you.
My mom also had a ukulele birthday cake made for me. And then my bandmates were here as well, so it was just really sweet, and I wanted to share a few of those moments with you. A few days later, we had the baby shower. Today is the day of our baby shower, and we decided to do drive-thru because of how things are. We're gonna put this balloon arch. My mom took a class on how to make them, and she made this last night. We're gonna put it outside. But I also want to show you the sign that was made for the front yard. We don't have a pretty front yard yet because the grass is barely growing, but I want to show you anyway. Isn't that so cute? We also have something else I want to show you. Hold on. So in the backyard, I'm gonna have my parents, Jaime's parents and siblings, and my musicians that I meet with every week So let me show you how that setup is going. I think like pregnancy made me get little smudges on my face. I heard that that happens, but who knew? Next, I'm gonna clean the house because it's a mess, and then I'll get ready and all that. I'll include you in the vlog because I really want you to see everything. Okay, everything is ready and set up. I'm gonna take a little video and show you, and then I'm gonna hand the camera off to Abby because Abby's gonna help me take a few video clips during the drive-thru.
Hey guys, it's finally the day of the baby shower and Bernadette went all out. So I'm gonna show you some of the decorations.
I guess they can get candy fingers.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Que te quedó bien bonito todo.
How are you feeling, Bernadette?
I don't know, like overwhelmed. I didn't expect this many people.
Aww.
Yeah, I have a big family, so that's nice. I love parties and get-togethers, and I love dressing up. So the backyard party was a costume party, and I told everyone, if you're not dressed, you're not coming in, because I wanted to make sure everyone wore a costume. And so what we did is we had 3 different sitting areas for the 3 different households, and we were all together but like apart, and then my friends played music for the party as well.
Don't know why I didn't come. I feel as empty as a drum. Don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come.
The day after the baby shower, Jaime and I took a baby moon. I didn't know what a baby moon was. It's like a honeymoon, but right before baby comes. So we went on a baby moon road trip to Durango, Colorado. We had a stop in Sequoia, Arizona. And then when we arrived in Durango, it was snowing. So it was perfect. It was beautiful because it had just been so hot here, like in the high 80s. And to just go and arrive at snow, it was like a dream. One of my ukulele friends lives in Durango. He helps run the Uke Global Ukulele Company. And so we met up with him, filmed a few videos, took a few pictures promoting for people to vote. And we went and had a really nice meal together. And then he recommended that we go to these 2 spots. He said that we should go to Uke and Silverton, maybe? I'm not sure if I'm getting that right. So we decided to just continue our road trip and go and look at these beautiful spots. Totally worth it. I ended up filming one of the videos on the way there, and a bird like came to my hand, which made me feel like I was in a magical dream. So that was on the way to Uke, and the video I filmed was an Enya review. Oh, it was for this ukulele. I was in your review for this ukulele, and I'll link it up on the corner because it was so nice. It was so nice to see the snow in the background. As soon as November hit, I had the itch for decorating my home for Christmas and Thanksgiving. Jaime and I will be setting up our Christmas tree right now. Let's see how the kitties react. So last night Jaime helped me put the lights on the Christmas tree because there's lots of areas I can't reach. And now I've added a little bit of ribbon. I want to show you what it looks like right now. Okay, this is a little bit of progress on the tree. Let me get close up. We decided to go with like an emerald theme. The lighting here is not good. But look at this. I ran out of the garland, so I'm gonna have to go out and get more, and I ran out of the ribbon, but it's coming together. You're like, no, me vas a regañar. Oh, she just wants your attention. One thing I forgot to mention, I don't know why I forgot to mention this. I guess because it was further back. It was more like early October. We had a 3D or 4D ultrasound of the baby. And we couldn't really see her face. She had her foot like up by her head and her hands over her face. So we couldn't really see her. But it was still a really fun experience to see her in real time. Even though we couldn't see her face, to see all her little limbs and to see her moving and everything. I'm currently on week 33. I think most women have their babies at 40 weeks, so we still have a few weeks to go. I think I'm going to have another ultrasound soon. So when I do, I'll take the camera again to try and record. Kit Kat wants attention. Hi. Do your cats like being held? Kit Kat is one that loves to be loved, but she doesn't love to be carried. So she always wants to be around, and she always wants to be pet, and she always wants to be fed. All of that. She's really sweet, but when it comes to being carried, it's not her favorite. And I think in the last bit of this video, I can show you a little bit of my just more normal life, because it's not all exciting with road trips and baby showers and stuff. Most of the time it's just like being here at home doing not much. So I just wanted to show you like my morning routine is to take the kitties outside and then like running an errand to the store. Jaime and I are headed to Costco because we're hosting Thanksgiving at my place or at our place. What we mean by that is my parents are coming over, but I still want to have like a really nice table set up and make it all beautiful and everything. So we're gonna go get a few things for the house. Okay, we're back home. I was gonna take you along on the Costco experience, and trust me, you would not have wanted to be there. There were so many people, it was annoying. But I do want to share our stairway decorations. One for baby Danny, and then Jaime and I. And then our Christmas tree. I can turn the lights on tonight, but it's there. And Jaime and I are going to have like a late lunch or dinner, early dinner. We want stuff to watch, so recommend us a really good show or a movie or something, because we often like to just wind down and eat and enjoy a show. That's more my normal rhythm, but I don't know if that's too boring to put in a vlog, so I didn't make the vlog all about that. I hope that you like just having a little bit in there. Okay, we're in the studio right now. I'm a little out of breath because that just happens in pregnancy. So I want to show you like the other side that you don't always see. So this is the door, and then we have the songs that we've learned, like my band and I. And then some of my ukuleles. And Kit Kat. Mamas, say hi. And then this is like my supply closet, instrument closet. Have ukuleles up there. And then the lights. The futon. And then Oh, cool. Yeah, my desk. And I just got these mugs from Walmart. I got them in 3 colors. They're so big and so cool. Love it. And then I have some more ukuleles hanging here. Definitely a uke hoarder. I have this keyboard here that I'd like to learn how to play a little better. But yeah, it's a studio. It's pretty small. It's not like really big. When Abby came, she said it looks so much bigger in video. So I love that it looks bigger in video. And this is where I'll check to make sure there are no flyaway hairs or the lipstick's okay. And then the silver play button for 100K. Okay, I'm deciding today's a pretty good hair day. So I'm adding blush to my face and I'm gonna go film a little video idea that I had from the other day, inspired by you all. So not sure which one will be out first, but gonna work on that right now. Okay, so here's a little crazy thing that I do for filming. I take my Coty Airspun powder, this one, I'll link it down below. Ew, I feel like a makeup blogger. And I like pack it on the areas where I feel like I want to look highlighted. And I'll leave it there for like 5 minutes. And then when I brush it off, it makes the makeup look like I spent a lot more time on it, even though I didn't. So that's like something I picked up from, I don't know, years and years of watching Instagrammers do it. And it, excuse the cat, it actually works. Okay, so I had this baking on my face for a little longer than a few minutes because I forgot about it. But I'm gonna go film now and it's just gonna look like I'm rested and youthful and I don't know, like I have hope. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, it's just gonna make it look like refreshed. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I really enjoy when creators I follow kind of throw in there like a totally different type of video and I watch it and I get to know them a little better. So I thought, oh, why not? Let's do it. Let's see how it goes. If you guys like it, I'll make another one like this that kind of just lumps together a bunch of really big events. The next big event is Thanksgiving, which I plan to have my parents over for. I want to like decorate the table, make some pies, that kind of thing. And then hopefully the release of the signature ukulele, which is in production. And who knows, maybe the birth of the baby? I don't know. I don't know if I'll make a vlog before then or after that. I do want to show you some of the, oh, you know what? We're setting up the nursery, so maybe that's what I'll make a video of. Yeah. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Sayonara.